Hey, Stenner Agreement here on behalf of Haivision, and today I'm unboxing my brand new dual-channel Makito X encoder, widely used for low latency streaming, broadcast, defense, and the enterprise. So, first thing I see when I open my box is this Haivision tin. This houses my login information. Without this, I can't do anything. Security is very important when you're streaming, and we take it very seriously. And then I have my audio and video cables, power supply, which comes with a locking mechanism to avoid any unnecessary disturbances while I'm streaming. And then, of course, the moment of truth. By breaking this seal, you agree to the terms of Haivision's end-user license agreement. I agree. And here we have it, the Makito X. Our compact, high-density, low-latency, energy-efficient, rockstar H.264 encoder. No surprises here. I've got my two SDI inputs, and I can choose to embed my audio if I wish. I have my network port, my COM port for metadata, amongst other things, and my audio in and out, all in a 2-pound package. And just in case you don't know, the Makito X actually comes in a variety of flavors, such as single channel, dual channel, DVI, optionally available with storage, HEVC, all 100% rack mountable. The Makito X is even available for harsh environments and ruggedized. So all this to say, whether you're in broadcast, defense, or enterprise, the Makito X has you covered. Get in touch. Thanks.